KidsVision TV.
Dark brown color, sky color, purple color, light green color, pink color, yellow color, orange color. Let's color with me. Sky blue color. I am coloring in ice cream cup. Do you like faluda ice cream? It is jelly faluda cup. I love it so much. Yellow color, I am coloring the jelly. I love mango flavored jelly. Let's color top with dark brown color. Pink color. Let's color in an ice cream. A colorful ice cream. Orange color. Light green color. Purple color. The last one is yellow color. Ta-da! Color with me. Let's color in cherry. Red color. It's done.
Subscribe us for more videos.